So, the digital speedometer on your beloved Subaru has suddenly disappeared? Don't worry, I'll have my human show you how to get it back. But first, if you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe and the bell notification.
Please note that these steps are being taken on a 2017 Subaru Forester 2.0 XT with a right-hand drive configuration. The first thing that you will need to do is locate these switches which are found on the side of your steering wheel. Each click on this lever will change the display on the screen. These are the 4 displays that you can choose from. So keep clicking that lever till the digital speedometer comes back on.
If you found this video useful, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.